Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to be making a kimono short dress with pockets. This is going to be a very easy tutorial. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and also leave a comment down below. This is the fabric I'll be using for the dress. I will be taking 14 inches measurement, which is my hips measurement divided by 4. That is 40 inches divided by 4. Plus an additional 4 inches because it has a loose fitting. I will be folding that measurement into 2 on the fabric. Then I will be taking a length measurement of 39 inches on both sides and marking it. I will be taking a ruler and rolling across. Then I will be taking my scissors and cutting the fabric out. I'm going to be using this to cut out another piece of fabric. Now I have 2 pieces of fabric for my dress, one for the front and one for the back. I have placed the fabric for the front and the back on each other here and marking out the neck measurement. I am marking 3.5 inches across and also 3.5 inches downwards. This is going to be the front neckline. I am taking my curve ruler and joining both measurements together. For the shoulder measurement, I am going to the edge of the fabric and marking 1.5 inches downwards. I am just going to use that ruler to join the measurement to the neck measurement. To measure the back neck, I am just going to go back to the middle and mark 1 inch downwards. I will be using my ruler to join this to my shoulder measurement. I will be cutting out the back neck first on the fabric and also cutting out the shoulder. The fabric underneath will be the back fabric for my dress. To mark out the sleeve, I am just going to take a measurement of 10 inches downwards and mark it. I will be rolling a straight line across from there. From the straight line I just rolled, I will be marking out my bust measurement divided by 4 plus an additional 2 inches, that is 36 inches divided by 4, which will give us 9 inches plus 2 inches, that will be 11 inches. I will be marking that on this line. I will take my curve ruler and curve out the sleeve from the body of the dress. Then I will take my straight ruler and roll from the curved part down to the length of the dress. From the dress length, I am just going to mark 1.5 inches upwards. This will be the fabric I will be folding in. I will make sure that part is straight so that when folding the fabric in, it is very neat. I will be using my scissors to cut out the excess fabric. I will be taking out the fabric from the back of the dress from underneath and putting it aside. I want the front of my dress to have a tunic neckline, so I'll be marking what I want it to look like. I will just be using scissors to cut out the neckline and also split it in the middle further down to my desired length. I will be cutting out a facing for the dress for both the front and the back. I will be taking a measurement of the neckline for the facing, and that is 13 inches downwards. I will be folding my leftover fabric into two and marking out 13 inches, and I will be cutting that out. I will be placing the front of the dress on the facing I cut out, and I will be marking out the neck and the shoulder. I will be using a freehand method to finish out the facing and then cut out the excess fabric. I will be placing the facing on the front part of the dress, right sides facing each other, and then I will be pinning it down. For the back facing, I'm just going to be folding the fabric for the facing into two and placing it underneath the back of the dress. I am going to be marking out the neckline and then using freehand to trace out the facing. I will be cutting out the excess fabric. I will be placing it onto the back of the dress, right sides facing each other, and then pinning it together. To cut out the pocket, I will be taking a measurement of 13 inches downwards and a measurement of 7 inches across, and I will be cutting that out. I will be needing two of these, one for the right pocket and one for the left pocket. Each one of the piece is going to be folded into two for the pocket. I have sewn the facing to the front of the dress, and this is the result. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. The back of the dress has also been sewn to the facing. I am going to sew the facing of the front to the facing of the back and then sew the shoulder to each other with 0.5 inch sewing allowance. This is the result. Now to attach the pocket, I am going to be taking my half length measurement, which is 16 inches, and I'm going to be adding 2 inches to that, which will give us 18 inches, and I'm going to be marking it. I'll be marking that on the other side as well. Then I'll go back in and notch it. I am going to be turning this to the wrong side of the fabric, and I'll be pinning down the pocket here. Bear in mind that it's the shorter part I am pinning down, which is the 7 inches on both the front and the back of the dress. I will be repeating this for the other side as well. I am done sewing the pockets now, and this is what it looks like. Next is to finish off the side seams, and as you can see, I am pinning it down and also around the pockets. That is how I'm going to be sewing it. I will also be sewing the lower hemline and the sleeve. Here is the final result of the dress. I hope you like it. See you in my next video. Bye.